Sturdy bracket. High-quality aluminum alloy material and advanced production process. The mounting bracket is impact-resistant and anti-corrosion. Universal. Fits most standard vehicle license plates and auxiliary lighting systems with front license plate holes. Easy installation. No drilling, no modification required, just like to replace a license plate using its mount location, usually can be installed in 20 minutes. Wide application. Fits for almost all cars, Jeep, truck, pickup, SUV, 4x4, etc. Work with most off-road auxiliary lights, fog lights, driving lights, LED work lamp and LED light bars. Package includes 1 PCS Universal License Plate Mount Bracket. Nilight Universal License Plate Mount Bracket color, black material, high-quality aluminum alloy. Great performance, sturdy and durable. Universal fitment, suitable for most vehicles. Top reviews from the United States. Not junk like the others. This is a solid unit of aluminum. Powder coat is mildly rough but thick and hasn't scratched at all. Way stranger and better mounts than the other out there with the little tube. That bent just by looking at a mean post. Going on my keeps and my Tundra.